Hello and welcome to another update video about Quant. Quant continues to deliver here. It's pushing higher. It's getting closer to the ideal target for the wave 5 up here at around $179, $280. Yesterday morning I made a video and told you that it is good and very well possible and actually quite likely that we will get to the top of the channel, of this trend channel that we put onto this chart here days or weeks ago. So yeah, we came down in a wave 4, we're now pushing higher in a wave 5. It was quite logical to assume we will hit this because what you want to see in a wave 5 is a higher high than a wave 3, and there wasn't much space to the trend channel resistance anyway. So we hit that first time, got rejected, did actually not retrace a lot. I mean, we really only retraced here to the 38.2% fib level, which tells me what this could have been. This could have been we have a small 1-2 down here, then here a wave 3, a wave 4, and this could already be the 5th wave of the 5th. In an ideal case, I would want this to go to $180 and then get rejected. Let's see how much higher we can actually push. The thing is, and the message here is always, as long as the trend is running, the trend is running. Yeah, you won't stop it. Only when you get a signal it's reversing, only then obviously you know that you have hit the peak. But what I can tell you is that there is quite a strong level of possible rejection at $179, $180. That is based on the measurement, and we can just do that. We can measure here the length of wave 1 down there. So we measure the height and the length of wave 1 with our Fibonacci extension tool, and we go to the low of the wave 4 here, and we can calculate this, and we can see it takes us to $180. That is the 1.618 extension of wave 1. That's how you measure, or one possible target at least, for such a wave 5, and that is sort of what I'd be looking here at primarily to reach. Now, I'm not telling you it has to get rejected there. It can definitely push higher as long as the trend is running. The trend is running, right? That's how it normally is and how it normally works. Let's see if we get there. At the moment, we are still hovering around that resistance of the trend channel. We can observe divergences now on the 1 hour chart here, bearish divergence, but the price hasn't followed through yet. And you can see a pretty clear bearish divergence on the 4 hour chart from here to here and also to here. So we've got quite a bit of a bearish divergence. You can even draw a trend line. Wouldn't be surprised maybe even to get to that level on the RSI at 78, 79 before we get rejected. That would be pretty much in line with a $180 level, or maybe even a little bit higher for Quant. The MACD is still pushing higher, so bullish momentum is still increasing. So at the moment the trend hasn't shifted yet. There is no evidence that we are coming down yet. But what I can tell you, if we come down, and I would say if we break below this swing low, that would already be a good indication that the trend is shifting. So it would be a drop below $161, and then next indication would be a break out of this green box to the downside. That would be in line with breaking down of the trend channel here at $151. Yeah, and then I think we're going to get here in this target area for the wave 2, which I have currently calculated or placed in the area between $106 to $130. That's how I see this going to play out. This is the wave 1. Impressive how Quant is pushing higher. There will be a wave 2 dip, in my opinion, and then we will see a wave 3 to the upside. Now, again, I can't promise you when this exactly will be finished, but we can see bearish divergences. We just have to, let's say, see when we get the signal here on the chart, which will tell us most likely that we are reversing. Now, that could be something like a double top. It could be a bearish candle. Yeah, it could be a break of that previous swing low that I mentioned. It could be breaking out of the trend channel to the downside. There's lots of things that you can use to identify the changing of a trend. What I can tell you is that we are now in an area also based on Fibonacci extensions and the Elliott waves, where it is getting quite likely that we will reverse here at some point and will come down in wave 2. And this is the area where I will accumulate. Okay, and that's my update about Quant. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.